Well, hello. Here we are, and we have a van. As you can see behind me, yeah, it needs a lot of work, but that's okay. You can see little Miss Shelby dog is right here, always by my side, and I have Miss Lady in the shotgun position. So, I have a van, and it's big and it's tall, and can you hear her? She sounds great. Now, this really is our first excursion in this thing, the three of us. So, I'm gonna go and fill up my thermoses and get some coffee. Well, maybe not. I don't know what we're doing yet. I have to leave the house though for a little while because we have a viewing on the house, but I may be in contract tonight on the house, so that is a good thing. Also, if I do go into contract tonight, it'll be 3 weeks from today that we close on the house. How freaking cool is that? So, hi, Shelby, what are you doing? So yes, this is where we are. This is what we're doing. We're going for a ride. And so I got this van. It was on Facebook. The lady was very transparent with me about any and all issues that this has. It's a 1991 Dodge Ram 250. Yes. And so it's old. So she was letting me know, like, you know, this, that, and the other about it. But it's a camper van. It just doesn't have anything in it. So I'm going to be videoing me transforming this thing, but not until after the next Wednesday. So today I've tried all day and yesterday to get a hold of somebody who has a recliner. Ooh. And because I don't want to do too much to it just yet, because next Wednesday it's going to my mechanic. So that's as soon as he could get me in. But yeah, I got to get him to check. There's something funky going with the fuel, but it's a 91. What can I do? But I'm super excited about this thing. These two have more than enough room in the back, as you can obviously see, but they would rather, my little ride or die right here. Yep, they would rather be right by my side. So, yeah, I'm extremely happy about this. It has a newer transmission, and it was overheating, but all the fluids look good. The oil looks good. So it didn't blow a head gasket, and all it was a thermostat, and that she fixed on Sunday. So all in all, it seems pretty good. I'm happy with it, and yeah, here we are. So I always think she has a fuel problem because two things. Yesterday it stalled. I went up to the store, and on my way back it stalled on me. So, but driving home from Spring Hill, it didn't stall at all. So I think we're pretty good with it. The other thing is that it was on a quarter of a tank. Sorry. It was on a quarter of a tank, and I filled it up, and it only took $30. And in this thing, I know for a fact that, hold on, it's going to take a lot more than $30 to go from a quarter of a tank to full. So, yeah, Tony's going to look at it for me. Tony's a great guy. He's a great mechanic. And I brought my vehicles, not the Beamer, but all the other vehicles that I've had in the past. We've always brought them to Tony. So, I'm hoping that whatever it may need won't cost too much. And, if it does, I hope he can work with me, because I got to go out of town to Georgia in 2 weeks. So yeah, there's that. But I'm very happy. Very, very, I'm ecstatic right now. You have no freaking clue. So, but both the girls fit in the front seat. I have to figure out what to put down in front of the front seat, so that way they can both kind of just lay out, and then put a bed, a puppy bed on top there, so that way they can chillax when we go on road trips, because we're going on road trips. We are. Oh, and here's one of the good things. Did I mention it has a newer tranny? Yep. And it has a Reese hitch. So, I guess I'm not getting a Class C RV. Yeah. Right now we're going to turn it into a camper van, and it's going to be the three of us in this van. That's going to be interesting. Yeah. And not only that, but it's also going to be, I'll end up getting a camper to pull behind, because I can. So, I know there's a lot of wind noise. I don't have my microphone. I'm sorry. There's a vent open. There's not a lot of wind coming through here, but there's a vent open. So, and I don't know how to close it. I got to get Tony to close it. So, that's where we are, guys. Stay tuned.